Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, does PNC Bank offer savings accounts with high interest rates? The straight answer is yes. PNC Bank does offer a savings account with a competitive high interest rate, but there is an important caveat: availability. PNC offers an account called the PNC High Yield Savings Account. This account has been reported to offer a strong annual percentage yield, or APY, which is much higher than the national average for a standard savings account. It also typically features a $0 minimum deposit to open online and no monthly service charge. However, the key is that the PNC High Yield Savings Account is not available in all states. It is specifically offered in a select number of markets where PNC does not have a large branch network. This means if you live in one of PNC's main branch areas, this particular high-yield account may not be an option for you. PNC Bank offers other savings products as well, but their interest rates are generally much lower. For instance, they offer a standard savings account and the growth account, which is part of their virtual wallet package. The interest rates on these accounts are typically quite low, often comparable to the low rates you would find at other major brick-and-mortar banks. PNC also offers certificates of deposit, or CDs, which can have high fixed interest rates, but these lock up your money for a set period and are not a traditional savings account. They also have a Premier Money Market account, which is another option with higher interest earning potential than a standard savings account, but it may have a monthly service charge that can be waived by maintaining a high minimum balance. So, to summarize, PNC Bank has a very competitive high-yield savings account, but its availability is limited by location. Their other standard savings options offer significantly lower interest rates. You should always check PNC's website or contact them directly with your specific location to get the most accurate, current rates and account availability. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.